What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to go over something super cute and super fun and affordable. It is the Disney eyeshadow palette from Target. This is seriously the cutest palette ever. I actually got it from a friend who I used to work with, and I'm super excited to finally tap into this. I have had it for a little bit and I cannot believe I haven't tapped into it. But it's super cute. It's at Target. And there's actually like a whole little Disney collection at Target. But this palette is a neutrals palette, and it is just super cute. Like, those are some really pretty colors, and I'm excited to make a fun neutral look today. So my eyes are a little red and irritated. I'm a little congested. The allergies in Houston are insane, but we're working with it. So let's just put this fun hair back. If you haven't seen my hair transformation, you definitely need to go watch it. If this is your first time tuning into my channel, hi guys, welcome. But I actually cut 12 inches off of my hair, so y'all need to go watch my hair transformation video to see the before and after and what it looks like, because this is a huge change for me. It's so short, I had it down to my waist. Anyways, enough rambling, let's get on with the video. So I already have the rest of my face done. I'm gonna link everything down in the description box. Eyes are primed with some NYX Full Coverage Concealer, and I did put a little bit of a kind of like neutral color from my Naked One palette just to set it. I will show you guys which color that is. So I used Virgin just because I haven't opened my Disney palette yet. I did just set my concealer with Virgin. So let's open this bad boy up and just see the fun thing I can create with it. So yes, I am wearing a t-shirt today, and the reason I'm wearing it is because I finally got my t-shirt in, and let me just show you. It says children with hair loss, cut past love, and this was actually the shirt that I got for donating my hair. I donated some money and got this shirt, and I love it. It's so cute, and I finally got it so I can finally wear it, but I'm just super excited that some little girl or little boy will have my hair. Alright, let's get you guys all zoomed in nice, close, and personal. I'm going to first be tapping into this first shade. Oh! There's a brush in it. I totally forgot. It has a dual-ended brush with like a sponge and a little tiny like pencil flat shader, I guess. Well, not a pencil, but a little small like shader brush. Anyways, I'm going to tap into this first shade right here just to use to set the concealer again, and also because now I can set it with a shade from this palette because I finally opened the palette. So I'm just going to put that all over the lid with a giant fluffy brush from the drugstore. I'm next going to go in with this really big blending brush that I got in an Ipsy bag, and it is from Vasanti. It's a concealer buffer, but I've really been liking this to put on my transition shades because it's so big and it just buffs everything out. I'm going to be using this shade right in here. I'll give you guys some swatches in a little bit. So I'm just going to tap into that, put this all over the lid and in the crease. And I love how big this brush is because it really just buffs everything. So I had edited and tried to upload my Jamaica vlog, and the quality of the waterfall sounds, I just didn't like it with the editing software that I have. Windows Movie Maker definitely did not do the waterfalls justice. It's a very annoying sound, so I'm trying to get that fixed so I can put this up for you guys because it was definitely such a fun time that I really wanted to share it with y'all. And I did vlog my trip, so I need to put that up. But I am trying to get a new editing software. Any suggestions? give a comment below. I think I found one I'm going to try and play around with, but for the meantime, that vlog is not going to be uploaded because I don't want to put up content that I don't want to listen to, because I know viewers aren't going to want to listen to it. So it might take a little bit longer to get that vlog up, but just FYI. So I'm next going to go in with the shade right next to it and use that same buffer. And just put this all over the lid and in the crease. So if you guys have seen any of my other videos that I've gotten palettes with these little sponges in, I'm not a big fan of the little sponges, maybe I guess to pack on color. I don't really use them. I usually just take the brush out, but I might actually use this little one to, like, you know, really define underneath the lower lash line. So next I'm going to go in with a brush from Luxie. It's the Luxie 249. I got it in my Ipsy bag. It is another dual-ended. This one is the fluffy side, and this one's like a flat, kind of like pack-on color side. And they have a lot of, like, it's like an orange, red, burgundy kind of feel with this palette. So I think I'm going to just go in with these two over here and mix them with the fluffier end and just see what I get. Because I don't want to go too red and burgundy because of the pink shirt that I'm wearing. I want more of just like a neutral look today. This is actually really pretty colors. They're coming on real nicely. I do want to tap into one more shade, which is this kind of like dark purple brown shade. I want to dig into that one very lightly, just to tone down the orange red feel that I'm getting on the eyes. These are coming out really pretty. And it's actually very pigmented, which I am loving. So I want to, I'm gonna do another look and play around with these like really bright shimmer shades over here. But for today, since I want to do a neutral look, I'm gonna go back into this shade because it does have some shimmer. And I'm gonna spray my brush with some MAC Fix Plus and just tap into that first shade just so I can kind of emphasize the shimmer. This is such a pretty color. Y'all can tell like it emphasized the lightness of it in the shimmer very well, adding the setting spray. Oh my goodness, this is so pretty. Let's do that again to the other eye. There is a little bit of fallout with this palette, but not too bad. I am actually loving it. So y'all, I just started working night shifts over at a new facility, and my sleep schedule is so off. It is so funny. Like, I slept all day yesterday. No. All day on Wednesday and a little bit Thursday during the day. So last night I could not sleep at all. I literally went to sleep at 2 a.m., woke up at 5, and I have been wide awake ever since. Crazy, I know. So I'm going to go back in with the smaller fluffy brush and just blend in those colors with no product on there. Actually, this is change that thought. This is the one that I wanted to go in with. I'm going in with my Lexi 249 without any product to just blend in. Make sure there's no harsh lines. Blends in really well. Do y'all see the difference? Blending makes a huge difference. If you're not blending, I don't know what you're doing. So I'm going to add a little bit more of this light shade to this one right here. Okay, so I have the look the way I want, a very simple, fun, neutral look. Now I'm going to add some winged liner. Get my mirror a little closer. So I'm going to add some winged liner and mascara, and I will be right back. Alright beauties, I am back. I have my liner and mascara on. I totally forgot to use my lash curler, but this mascara is so amazing that it was fine without it. But this is how the look turned out. A very simple, neutral, but yet like elegant look. So I'm actually really loving this palette. I'm going to give you guys some swatches real quick. Okay, so these are super like smooth and creamy to touch. They are a little chalky, but they're such beautiful colors. Like this red shimmer one, literally to die for. Like all these shimmers right here, I cannot wait to just play around with all of them. You can tell that they're a little chalky. It's hard to see some of the lighter ones at the top, but this palette is amazing. So I've used the first, actually I used like the first, this one, and then these two, and then I went on to these three over here. That is what's on my eyes today. So this is the final look. I have to finish it off with some MAC Fix Plus. I usually like to do this without my mascara on, but I did wait a little bit to let the mascara dry so that way it wouldn't like stick and just run. But thank you guys so much for watching. This Disney palette, I believe, is still at Target. I think you can still get them online too. It was like $8. But this is such a cute palette and definitely gave me exactly what I was looking for. I wanted just a simple neutral look, but it's still very elegant also. So you can like dress it up or also have it for everyday neutrals. But thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to press that cute pink subscribe button over there. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys. Not too bad for some dollar store palettes. It does take a little bit to work them on.